Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Krisp AI with Google Meet in 2026. If you want to remove background noise and improve your voice quality during online meetings, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign into your Krisp AI account. If you haven't installed the Krisp desktop application yet, download it, complete the installation, and sign in with your account. Next, launch the Krisp AI app and select your physical microphone and speakers. Turn on noise cancellation for your microphone so Krisp can remove unwanted background sounds during your
इसके
meetings.
डबलेट है ना
Now open Google Meet in your web browser and either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Before entering the meeting, click the Settings option if it's available. Next, open the audio settings and select Krisp Microphone as your microphone. If you're using Krisp for audio output as well, choose Krisp Speaker as your speaker device. Now join the meeting and speak normally. Krisp AI will automatically reduce noises such as keyboard typing, fan sounds, traffic, and other background distractions while keeping your voice clear. Before an important meeting, make a quick test call to confirm your microphone and speakers are working correctly with Krisp enabled. Finally, leave the Krisp AI application running in the background whenever you use Google Meet so noise cancellation remains active throughout your calls. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Krisp AI with Google Meet step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.